Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 trigger won't engage properly, it can be quite frustrating. This often happens due to debris or wear affecting the mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making your vacuum unusable. To ensure a successful repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring your Dyson SV12 is unplugged, and then locate the screws on the handle. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the handle. Keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the handle. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once opened, you will see the trigger mechanism. Inspect it for any visible debris or damage. If you spot any dirt, use the tweezers to carefully remove it. Should the trigger appear worn or broken, it's time for a replacement. To extract the trigger, locate the small retaining clip holding it in place. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently lift the clip and slide the trigger out. Now, take your new trigger and slide it into place, making sure it aligns correctly with the mechanism. Once seated, press the retaining clip back down to secure it. Before reassembling, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the handle back together, ensuring no wires are pinched. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the holes. Once everything is secured, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test the trigger. It should engage smoothly now. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly, removing any debris that may build up around the trigger mechanism. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum in excessively dusty areas to minimize the wear on the trigger. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.